On this week's episode of In the Kitchen with Ollie, halved Hasselback potatoes. Ingredients: wash the potatoes thoroughly and then cut them in half. Peel 1/2 of each of the potatoes. Place the potatoes in between the handles of 2 wooden spoons and carefully make small vertical slices. The wooden spoons stop the knife from slicing all the way through. Repeat the process with the skinned potatoes. Add aromatic seasoning or salt. Pour boiling water over them, then cover with a lid for 8 to 10 minutes. Drain the water. I divided the portion in half because I wanted 2 different flavors. For the first portion, I used Nando's lemon and herb seasoning, some ginger puree, garlic granules or fresh garlic, fresh or dried parsley, and some olive oil. Rub in the ingredients so that they fit between the slits. Set aside and marinate the remaining portion. I used Cajun seasoning, some Worcestershire sauce, then some Nando's paprika and lime, and finally, onion granules. Grease a lined baking tray with oil. Place the potatoes skin side up. Bake the potatoes for 40 to 45 minutes at 10-minute intervals in a preheated oven set to 180 degrees Celsius. To a microwavable container, add unsalted butter, some olive oil, some white wine, and microwave. Between each 10-minute interval, lightly brush them with the melted butter, oil, and wine. As they bake, the slits in the potatoes will open up. Bake until golden and crispy around the edges. Allow to cool before serving. And that's it. Plate up and enjoy these delicious, halved, Hasselback potatoes. I feel like I say this in all my videos, but I was so happy with how these came out. They're so crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. The two flavors really complemented each other. Rating these a 9 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love you all and God bless.